Leaking top insider stock trades every day until they stop us, November 17th. There's a whole bunch of insider selling at pharmaceutical companies, so if you own any of these, probably worth taking a look to see what's going on there. The senior vice president of corp dev at A&I Pharmaceuticals just sold $1.3 million of the stock. The company had just gone a couple of months with no new insider sales, but it is still in the top 5 most sold companies in the last 3 months. The chief business officer and the COO at ARS Pharmaceuticals both sold over 60% of their listed holdings, and the CFO, CEO, and a couple of directors at Mineralis Therapeutics sold over $16 million of the stock. On top of that, the CFO at NXP Semiconductor sold another $1.47 million of the stock, even with the stock falling over the last couple of months. They also sold $1.54 million back in July, and the stock's down about 6% since then. But you're not here for the insider sells, you're here for the buys, and we've got the CFO at FTAI Aviation joining the CEO and COO by buying $100,000 of the stock. But there's even more interesting insider buying going on at Primo Brands, where a handful of insiders just bought the stock after a huge post-earnings dip. One of the directors that bought the stock bought $895,000 of the stock, which is their largest purchase ever out of 6. Their previous purchases have also averaged over 60% one-year returns. The stock is down 25% in the last month and 50% in the last 6 months because of poor earnings due to decreasing net sales with a merger that they just completed, which actually just led to the CEO being ousted and replaced by a board member. However, the insiders seem to be quite bullish on these being near-term headwinds and their ability to turn things around. As a handful of them are buying this dip, they increased their share repurchase program by $50 million and they increased their dividend. On top of this, the stock is trading at its lowest PE value in over 5 years. Find all the top insider trades at CEOWatcher.com.